Welcome to Trinity College Dublin. Most people enter through College Green, which leads on to the front square. Your visit to the Book of Kells Experience starts at the old library building. Firstly, learn about the making of the Book of Kells before you step into the treasury to view the 1,200-year-old manuscript and the pages on display. Afterwards, step into the long room to marvel at Gaia and newly installed artwork featuring NASA imagery of Earth. Look out for highlights like Ireland's oldest harp and the new sculptures of women, and learn how the books were carefully removed for a once-in-a-lifetime conservation project. Next, move to Chapter 2 of your visit, located at the Pavilion Building. The Pavilion is less than a minute's walk from the old library. This is where your digital journey begins. Experience the stories, sights and sounds of the old library's precious collections. Step inside the pages of the Book of Kells and experience the manuscript's intricate artwork like never before. Next, explore a digital reconstruction of the long room and see the past, present and future before your eyes. Finish your visit in our store, which features exclusive Irish design collections, clothing and gifts inspired by Trinity. We look forward to seeing you soon.